Right guys, end of play today. Just in the process of tidying up, taking out tools. I just thought I'd show you this. So we've put stud walls up. So basically, that's dormer wall what we put up before. So we've put this wall up here, noggins to go into it to there, and then we've come up with this idea now to put door on angle so we can get a 30-inch door and put that piece back in and put an upright up that back up there to there, tie that back into the stud. And this solves the problem of landing being a bit small. Everybody keeps going about this landing to me. And I keep telling them the staircase is 830. From that wall to there is 840. And I know they're insulating it, but you actually measure off your nosing, and nosing to that wall is 910. So that complies with building regs. Building inspector's been out 3 times to look at all structural stuff we've done. Everything's been passed. He's happy with everything, so, and he's never mentioned the landing. And I'm of the adage that you don't stare at an hornet's nest unless you have to help it, and you can't help it. Anyway, so that resolves that as far as I'm concerned. You can still tell me it's wrong or whatever, but it's been passed by building control, and that's all that I'm here for. So obviously then this becomes your landing. Stud walls to finish off that way. There's going to be a stud wall at back, which I'll explain about in a minute. We're going to put some rakers coming up to form a bulkhead, because from there all the way up there to decorate is going to be a murder, and to plasterboard. So we're going to form it, and if there's enough room we're going to cut some studs out, nog it all out, put a landing in and put a bulkhead storage unit above it just to maximise space. So you're going to walk round here. We've set that back 700 from front of this purling, and customers are going to get some brackets designed to hang off at roof and go down, and he's going to have that as a hanging space, like a walk-in wardrobe scenario. He's going to put some LED lights at the back of that stud, and all that is storage. And well, I've measured that, and I know it's right up to ease, but it's 7 foot long wide is that. So that's quite a distance, is that. You'll get some storage in it. Not massively high, but you'll get storage in it. Then here, from this stud running around this way, from there to there is going to be a door, and it's going to be hinged and come back this way. It's going to be cut at an angle, so it's got to be hinged on that side. It can't be hinged on that side, which you'll see that tomorrow better when we finish stud walls. So you're going to walk in, he's having his toilet there, he's having his sink there, and then that is an 1100 by 800 shower tray going in there. And remember he's a plumber, bear in mind, he's asked for this void so he can run all his pipes, and electrical and plumbing's hot waters all coming up in this area here. So they've got this run to run everything round. And like I say, we framed that out for Velux, but we haven't fitted the Velux, the roofers have fitted the Velux. So yeah, it's getting there, it's looking well. Thanks a lot, bye now.